Finally, my unpublished Facebook page has been published successfully, and yes, it took me less than 2 minutes. If your Facebook page is currently unpublished and you have no idea how to fix it, don't worry, I've got you. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to publish an unpublished Facebook page quickly and easily, even if you're a complete beginner. Let's get your page back online right now.